In today's video, we will be learning one more big friend subtraction formula. Why we need to learn this formula? See, here we have two sums, right? Now let us solve these sums. First sum here is 5 plus 5 minus 1. Let me clear my tool first. 5 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Here I am using the big friend addition of 5. So, plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Then we need to subtract 1. We know that at one third the value of each lower bit is 1. See here, at one third no lower bit is touching to the value bar. So, direct subtraction of 1 is not possible. Can we apply the small friend subtraction of 1? The formula for small friend subtraction of 1 is at the upper deck the bit of 5, you can say the upper bit at the one third is not touching to the value bar. So, use of small friend subtraction of 1 is also not possible. So, for applying the small friend subtraction of 1, we have to subtract 5, but here the bit of 5 is not touching to the value bar. So, the use of small friend subtraction of 1 is not possible. Let us solve the second sum, which is 4 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4. Here I used the big friend addition of 6. Then we need to subtract 1. So, here also no lower bit are touching to the value bar. So, how we can remove 1 directly? So, use of small friend subtraction of 1 is also not possible as the bit of 5 is not touching to the value bar. So, how we can solve this kind of sum? Here we have to use the big friend subtraction of 1. So, in today's video we will learn how and when we can use the big friend subtraction of 1. Now, I am going to write the formula for big friend subtraction of 1. Let me first tell you what is big friend. Big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10. Which two numbers between 1 to 9, if we add them together, we will get 10. Those two numbers are called big friend to each other. So, what is the big friend of 1? See, here I have 1 finger. How many more fingers I need to make it 10 fingers? I need 9 more fingers, right? So, 1 and 9 are the big friend of each other. Now, we knew the big friend of 1 is 9. So, 1 is the big friend of 9. 9 is also the big friend of 1. So, big friend subtraction of 1 is, we have to first subtract the base value of big friend, which is 10. Remember this thing. Then we have to add the big friend of 1, which is 9 plus 9. So, our formula for big friend subtraction of 1 is minus 1 is equals to minus 10 plus 9. So, now we will apply this formula and we will solve both the sums. So, first sum is 5 plus 5 minus 1. 5 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. So, answer here is 9. Let us solve the second sum, which is 4 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4. Minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. So, answer here is also 9. Now, I am going to solve these 10 sums. Let us solve the first sum. The first sum is the same here, 5 plus 5 minus 1. 5 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5 minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Answer is 9. The second sum is 8 plus 2. Plus 2 is plus 10 minus 8. Here I used the big friend addition of 2. Then minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9 plus 6 plus 10 minus 4. Here I used the big friend addition of 6. So, the answer is 15. Third sum, 4 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Answer is 9. Fourth sum, 3 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Here I used the big friend addition of 7. Then minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. The answer is 12. Next sum is 1 plus 9 minus 1. 1 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1. Then minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Answer is 9. Sum is 4 plus 6 minus 1 plus 7. 4 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Answer is 16. Next sum is 7 plus 3 minus 1. 7 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7 minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Answer is 9. Next sum is 9 plus 1 is plus 10 minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Answer is 12. Next sum is 2 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9. Answer is 9. Last sum is 5 plus 5 minus 1 plus 4. 5 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5 minus 1 is minus 10 plus 9 plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Answer is 13. Here we have solved all the 10 examples based on the formula big friend subtraction of 1. If you have any doubt in any question, you can let me in the comment section below. So, if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.